Hello everyone on YouTube, welcome to another video. Today, if y'all are hearing something, that is a drone that I'm using. Sorry if there's, hope that it's not blocking the view of the camera. But, I'm going to show you a way that you can tune a cigar box guitar. So when I hold it up here, so y'all can see it, I'll hold it down like this. What I'll do, I'll sit on a bench so y'all can see a little bit better. Hope y'all can see this. The bench is a little wobbly, but we're gonna do it. So I'm tuning with a drone. And so I have a drone of G, and so we're gonna tune to G. So I'm gonna start with this high string. So you want to make, I like to tune my high string first. Tune down, then up. Hopefully y'all can see this on. I'll move closer. So you got these pegs on here, you want to tune those. So I'm going to start with high string. That's close enough. Tune down, then up. Just check that high string again. Sometimes when you're tuning, you play, the high string does tend to go up just a tad. So there we go. That is the cigar box being tuned to a drone. Actually, I need to show y'all a video, make a video one day of me playing the bagpipes, because I actually just played a bagpipe. So thanks for watching, and more to come later.